Eritrea was colonized by Italians, so they're Africans, colonized by Italians. So they love food, but they don't have any.
Poland, the country with the highest number of Jews per square kilometer, is 6 feet under the ground.
Yoga's bullshit. It's just expensive stretching.
If a guy put a gun to my head and asked me to eat either cabbage rolls or pierogies, I will eat a mouthful of his dick and then get shot in the head.
If you visit Albania, you'll notice they use a lot of scarecrows. But if you look closer, they're just Albanians.
When traveling to Vietnam, you're gonna eat a lot of rice, which goes really well paired with a child prostitute.
Hungary is in Central Europe, surrounded by Croatia, Romania, and Serbia. If Europe was a nightclub, these guys would be the date rapists.